Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the phrase hands off. It might seem simple, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is hands off. Let's break it down. First we have hands, which sounds like hands but with a quick soft S at the end. Then comes AWF, which rhymes with off and has the same sound. Now let's put it all together. Hands off. Try repeating after me, hands off. Now a little faster, hands off. And at full speed, hands off. Keep practicing, and soon, this phrase will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Hands off refers to a non-interfering attitude or action, meaning to not get involved or physically touch something. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce hands off and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words or phrases you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.